Kunabantu abahamba nesilwane esikubona nje. Siyibo siyabasebenzisa labo bantu. Bayathanda ukusukela abanye abantu. Bayathanda ukuthi kube khona umuntu odinwayo, kube khona umuntu oba frustrated, kube khona umuntu okhalayo, kube khona umuntu ongajabuli. La kukhona i-havoc ne-chaos. Bafuna ukuthi bebe yikhozi yalokho. Khona kuzofideka lesi silwane abahamba naso. Ungacabangi ukuthi mangikhuluma ngesilwane ngikhuluma ngenunu nje physical. Isilwane ile thought pattern, ile thought form, ile habits le ekuyena energy iya thrive, I feel better only if there is a chaos. La ke ngifuna ukukhuluma ngabantu ababili. Yilo hlobo lomuntu lolo. Bese kube umuntu okwazi ukugwema lolo hlobo lwabantu lolo alisuffocate lento elifunayo. But at the same time khona laba baba victim of the circumstance abangakwazi ukwenza lokho. But ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi bazoyidevelopa into ekuthiwa emotional intelligence, ukwazi ukugwema labo bantu ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha othi ngenzayo noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Labantu kumele ukwazi ukubabona. Uyabona njengoba la emhlabeni kune chaos engaka, kune disruption engaka, kunama calamities amangaka. It's because imali iwele kulolu hlobo labantu engikhuluma ngalo. Manje lisebenzisa yona ukwenza lento engiqeda ukukhuluma ngayo, ukcause chaos. Ngoba lama entities akhona angama entities aphilayo ke kwenye dimension abese sebenzisa laba ngoba phela adinga umuntu ophilayo asebenzise laba abanemali ukuthi because ihavoc, then that energy feeds back to these things. So bakhona ke nabanye abangenayo imali esiphila nje nabo la abasetshenziswa the very same energy. Phela bona umehluko ukuthini? Abanayo imali yokwazi ukcaptureisha abantu bebaplante babe ama agent of these dark and negative entities. Abanawo phela manje imali bona. Phela yena into ayibenefitayo lo muntu ubenefita ukubona ekhoza idisruption, ubenefita ukubona kukhona umuntu okhalayo ngenxa yakhe, ubenefita ukubona kukhona ubuhlungu obukhona obenzekalayo phambi kwakhe. Uyabenefita. Hawu bekungaba yithini, bekungabhedwa ukuthi ngoba kunjani naye akubheda, hawu bekungafelwa thina sodwa ngoba kunjani naye abafela. Yabo, it fits to their energy, to their negative entity. Bahijekwa amandla obumnyama. But ke amandla obumnyama asebenza ngabo bane contract kodwa bona abazi. Yini eyenza ukuthi athrive yena anorisheke under negativity? It's because of that mere fact. Under normal circumstances, noma angithi nje, if wena you have been hijacked by the light beings, kusho ukuthi wena awu thrive under negativity. Yabo, awu thrive ayijabulisa ikuthokozisa. Even ngisho umuntu okwenze kabi but awumfisela ukuthi sengathi kungenzeka kabi nakuyena. Yabo, wena you are captured by the light being. Yabo? So labo bantu laba esikhuluma ngabo namhlanje, uma ngabe kukuthi wena uyakhona ukubabona, the only thing ongakwazi ukuba khila ngayo, uwazi ukuba khila ngokuthi uba suffocate lento abayidingayo. Unfortunately there are people abane open solar plexus, Nkosi yami. Abane solar plexus is an emotional center kwi-chart lakho. U50% we-humanity une open emotional center, okusho ukuthi they are emotional kune emotional instability. Their frequency band is very open, widely open. Yabo, they take in the emotional energy, they amplify it and then they give it back. So kulula ukubatriggerisha because they don't have the emotional management system consistent. Uyafika lo muntu uyamprovoka, uyathrive ke loya, uyathrive lo ngale because vele befuna kona lokho kwenzayo wena ikona bekufuna because it fits back to the ego. Angiphathi ke wena muntu one open solar plexus usola ukuthi i-open nje injalo uzofika uthathele engaya ne frustration akulethela yona lo uyi amplify, yet ungala on the other side of your chart une defined ego. ego yakho izokuphikisa ukuthi wena uthule, izothi mina ngenziwa njalo, and then you give back lento ayifunayo lo muntu lo, yabo. Kanti lapho yena etrive kufanele ukuthi wena you are losing something, but yena he or she has nothing to lose. Kufanele ukuthi nje ulwa nephara, uyi professional. Promo uyi professional wena ulwa nephara, iphara is nothing to lose. When you have everything to lose, because uzokwaza wena uzoboshwa ulahle lo msebenzi. Lizokwaza wena uzoba namaskazi lona linendaba vele linawo vele ayinqwaba. So wena mangabe ukuthi ulwa nalo uphikisana nalo lo vele lento ayifunayo yena iyam energizer le negative energy ni exchange ayo la wena inga on the other side iyakudraina wena when you are losing yena is gaining your energy. That's how it works. So bazohamba behamba befuna but mangabe ukuthi echathini lakho une defined emotional center kuba much better, because uvele athi uyadloba athi wenzane uthola nje ile ilo khona abantu esizosimangala sithi uyakwazi ukubekezela uyezwa ngoba vele asingali so ukuthi lo uyadloba usha wonke amagama athi hayi ahlisa umoya une defined emotional center ngoba 50% unayo lento engikhuluma ngayo 50% awunayo muko wafika nje wamzela nalo attitude yakho uyayithatha lo attitude uyithanza kawu uyibuyisela back kuwena yabo acike ukudlula wena. So lo ne emotional management okungcono for this one one open solar plexus nona vela suke lapho, because he cannot manage it not unless mhlambe ene evele eyigwala or something along the chart khona okunye okungenza ukuthi akwazi ukuthi adila naleso simo. But other than that nje unane ego defined uzovela athi nje I give you back what you give me, yabo, I gonna give you back times 2. But laba abanye bavele bathi nje hayi khuleka hayi mfethu asingalo kube khona umoya adloba yabo, they can manage it. Lo yabona ukuthi ngilwa netshe la akangithole lento engiyifunayo, lona akanginiki lento engiyifunayo. I want war, I want that thing, yabo, but angithuli. Abanye bakwazi ukuthi vele ayithulele nje amzimbi nje, yabo, uyasuffocateeka lo muntu ohamba naleso silwane, uyasuffocateeka umzibi ungamniki lento ayifuna, uyasuffocateeka yonke into oyincisha attention iyafa, uyalimala, ugcina uyalimala, uyamparalyze ngokwenza kanjalo, umsuffocate. And uyabona lo uvela athi lo one open solar plexus ngisho ethule engathula, kodwa ukuthula kwakhe kusokukhona i-build up aka ya build up la, ukuthula kwakhe cannot last longer, kuya build up eka emva kwalokho phu. Kanti wena utshela ukuthi ubethule ngoba ubekwazi ukuyimanage lento ntanto ubefuma ibi build up le energy, and then phu. And the more when you are angry, the more you give this energy this ayidingayo lo ngale on the other side. Ngizwa? That is why ke kunje these things they thrive under negative energy, they thrive when you just give them what they need. If you pick up, but mungamnaki ushangathi umbona ushangathi awumuza nje hloko style uyalimala yokomunye, yabo, uzozamthola uzomnika, because iyafa lento uma ngabe ukuthi ayimtholi umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi react, iyafa lento. So ke that's the way it is, guys, that's the way it is. Mina sikwazi ukubona lokuthi there are people abathrivayo under that, yabo, labantu nje baningi they just thrive under negativity, and when you just become the victim. But when you think you gonna win ngokuthi ube nama facts amaningi, usengena ndaba ne logic nama facts ozanawo la kule discussion, that's not the case. Even ungasho ukuthi hey, this is red, look red ubanje ube technical, no, that was not the point in the first place ukuthi niphikisana. The point was I want this energy, this negative energy, I want this conflict. I don't care about facts. So ungaze wena uthi okusalayo nginama facts ne wena uzoba drained ntambama, yena uzobe energized. Abanye uthola ukuthi le entity ayinendaba nempi, ayifit ngempi, uthola ukuthi le entity nje ifuna abantu ezobalwarisha, ibayenge lo phathi basejuice, yabo, uthola ukuthi lo ingenile kuyena i-thought form and thought pattern ithi nje gqoka kanje reveal so that uzoyengela abanye ophathi abashadile abangashadanga abanemali ukhonzoba yengela ophathi. That is the thing. Bese uyibuza bithini i-thought process yakho wena ngesikhathi uzogqoka kanje, what was the thought process, what is the motive behind, yabo, uthola ukuthi vele le energy ithi nje ngifuna bayengela ophathi. Namhlanje kunabantu ababushiwe basemajele ngenxa into engikhuluma ngayo, baboshwa kwaprovoke umuntu omprovoke back, kanti lo ilento ayidingayo namhlanje ukuphi uboshiwe lapha, yes. Wayengayitsheli nangu wayihamba nesilwane, lesi silwane sesimoshe impilo kalo nangu sekuthiwa udle ngilile, ngenxa isilwane sisebenze ngalo ukudestroy impilo yakho. Kunabantu abahamba nezilwane la esidestroy impilo zabantu ngenxa nje ukuthi sifuna i-emotional reaction kuwena bese simosha impilo yakho. Yabo, kwazi ukubona lo, kwazi ukubona ukuthi usuconsa manje, uyazi ushadile unaneringa, uconsa manje, luhambe lolu hambo lwenu luzolifinyelele la isilwane sifuna khona bese 10,000 la ngale walokho ngeke ngize ngigeze, ngiyakhona emaphoyiseni ngeke ngigeze, ngihamba nginje. Yabo, usuyabona hawe ma ungena kuma financial crisis bese uyayisort ngangenzani kodwa kanti uyengelwe ophathe sebenze ngaye i negative energy entity isebenze ngaye lo. Yabo, ukuthi wena ingane zakho zolala edleni noma kuzokwenzakalani uzongena ama financial crisis akanandaba nalokho. Isilwane esifuna into si thrive kwi negativity, si thrive ngokudemolisha impilo zabanye abantu. Baqaphelele labo bantu bakhona siphila nabo futhi okwakho ukusuffocate ini i energy. That's it.